Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our last card in the series for the Sweeter With You Paper Pumpkin Kit for July 2025. And I've got one of the card bases. I've left it whole, but I have used the circle from the Circle of Seasons dies to cut out 2 circles from here. And what we're going to do is I've cut down another card base. And this is still the 5.5, but this is, I've cut it just on the inside of the hinge, or the fold, because it's going to sit in here like this, and this is going to come over top, and if it was the full size, it would just edge out just a little bit. So that's how we're going to start this card. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put adhesive wherever I can, just to make sure that that still gets fixed down really well. And that, so a little bit of adhesive there, a little bit of adhesive there. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck this in. I'm going to know that I'm square all the way around. I'm just going to nudge that just a little bit. There we go. And then I'm just going to fold this over and press it down. So now we've got the inside of the card that really looks not much different than it normally would. Okay, I took one of the greeting banners and I ran it through the garden embossing folder. It's part of the glass and gardens embossing folder. And that's going to go down the middle. I'm just trying to decide which is the right way up for this. I don't think it really matters. This is going to go right down the middle. So there's quite a few elements in this one, but so we're going to put that down like that. Okay. And then we're going to take our large strawberry vine, and it's going to go down like that, and I'm going to flat mount this. So I'm just going to add adhesive to the strawberries, and we're going to pop that down like that. And I wanted the pink underneath just to bring a bit more visual interest to this. This is going to be dimensionalized right here. So I'm going to pop out those dimensionals, and I'll just pop those on like that. And I put them in the middle because if I want to do any layering, I need some space. So this is going to come in the bottom right like this. Then I've got this little flower that I've already colored from a different video, and it's colored in pretty in pink, and I just used the blending brush on that. And this is going to pop down the bottom like that. Now, this is where the fun begins. I have all of these little strawberries left, and we're going to use all of the little strawberries. So I'm going to pop dimensionals on them except one, and I'm just going to put a mini dimensional on close to the top, because this is the one that's going to go over the greeting here. So let's do that one first. Okay, and we're going to match up those leaves, pop that down. So we get a really 3D effect with this card. Just pop those down. If the leaves don't match up perfectly, that's fine. It's absolutely fine. So this one, we're just going to lay over that one there like that. And this one is going to go up here like this. And then this one is going to just tuck underneath that one and sit down like that. So that is primarily our card. I am going to see what I've got for bling that I can put on here. I got so excited about making the card that I didn't think about the bling. So I've got some of the holographic resin dots, which might be what we use on this one. Yes, we're going to use the holographic resin dots. So here we go. And we're just going to use some of the larger ones, because why not? I'm going to tuck one there like that. And again, it's off where the dimensionals are. So it's going to pop down a little further. Maybe I'll use one of the smaller ones in the middle of the flower. Use a medium one in the middle of the flower, just like that. Okay, and then we can just pop them around wherever we like, just to add interest. I think that's probably enough. But that is our last alternate card using elements from the Paper Pumpkin kit for July 2025 called Sweeter With You. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.